Wild Budgerigars, or Budgies, are social nomadic little parrots that come together in their hundreds to fly in lively, undulating flocks. Despite living in the dry landscapes of Australia, Budgies have a preference for drinking and bathing every day, and are usually found not too far from the water. Male and female budgies differ from the color of their cere, the area at the base of their beak. In males, this is bright blue, while in females it is a pale brown. With their sturdy beaks and thick flexible tongues, they get all the energy they need from the grass seeds they forage for in the mornings. The males of these monogamous couples court their females by nudging her beak and by bobbing their heads towards her, sometimes offering food. It is the female budgie that will incubate the small white eggs she has laid. Concentrating on keeping her eggs safe and warm, her partner will bring her food during the 3 weeks it will take before their eggs hatch. Featherless, blind, and unable to even lift their heads, these newly hatched chicks are utterly helpless. There may be different-sized chicks inside the nest, as budgies lay their eggs at different times. There can be as much as 2 weeks difference between the first and the last chick to hatch. By 2 weeks old, down is starting to be covered by feather, and the males have joined the females in helping to keep the hungry and fast-growing chicks fed. By the time they are 30 days old, these young birds will start to stretch out their wings and strengthen them. Although they are starting to look like adults, their parents will continue to feed and protect them for some time. When their wings are strong enough, usually at just 5 to 6 weeks old, they will take their first flight. Budgies have survived in the harsh beauty of Australia for the last 5 million years. Highly social birds, their early mornings are spent preening and singing and moving within trees before they fly off for their foraging area to feed throughout the day. In these densely packed, fast-growing flocks can be tens of thousands of these pretty petite little parrots as they swarm and swoop over the beckoning waterholes. Surely, these are some of the prettiest of all birds.